Mathematics is one of the ancient sciences that has existed for thousands of years. Several written evidences related to the development of mathematics in the past have also been successfully found by scientists. The first evidence is Plimpton 322, an oldest trigonometric table that is part of the history of Babylonian mathematics in 1900 BC. In addition, there is also the Rhind mathematical sheet, which refers to the history of Egyptian mathematics in 1800. 2000 BC. Other written evidence is the Moscow mathematical sheet, which is an ancient mathematical writing in the era of Egyptian mathematics in 1890 BC. Both Plimpton 322, the Rhind mathematical sheet, and the Moscow mathematical sheet, all three discuss the theory of Pythagoras. Based on these findings, Pythagoras is called the oldest development of mathematics after arithmetic and geometry. Long before that, scientists had found the oldest mathematical objects around the Lebombo Mountains, South Africa. The tool is known as the Lebombo bone, which is likely from 35,000 BC. On the surface of the Lebombo bone, there are 29 scratches that are said to be used to calculate the phases of the moon. However, some also say that the scratches are a way for women in ancient times to calculate their menstrual cycle. In addition to the Lebombo bone, scientists also found the Ashongo bone near the Nile River. Reportedly, the Ashongo bone contains information about a sequence of prime numbers or a -1-month lunar calendar. Over time, mathematics has developed rapidly until it has succeeded in giving rise to theories about numbers, ranging from real numbers, complex numbers, rational, irrational numbers, imaginary numbers, fractional numbers, natural numbers, whole numbers, and prime numbers. To clarify your picture regarding the history of mathematics, here is a summary of important periods in the history of the development of mathematics. 10 figures of mathematical inventors in the world. Pythagoras. Here is one of the inventors of the theory of mathematics whose name may be familiar, namely Pythagoras. Pythagoras was a mathematician and philosopher from Greece, who was also known as the father of numbers. It is said that Pythagoras was known to have extraordinary intelligence until he finally succeeded in coming up with the Pythagorean theory. In general, Pythagoras is a science that states that the square of the hypotenuse of a right triangle is equal to the sum of the squares of the sides of the right angle. In addition, Pythagoras also succeeded in finding perfect numbers. Euclid. The next figure who discovered mathematics is Euclid or Euclides, an ancient Greek mathematician who is popular as the father of geometry. One of Euclid's popular works is a geometry book entitled The Elements. Amazingly, the book has been widely referenced until the 20th century. Other works by Euclid are optics, data, division of figures, and phenomena. Among these works are those that discuss perspective, spherical geometry, cones, and number theory. Archimedes. Archimedes was a Greek mathematician and physicist who was born in 287 BC in Syracuse. Thanks to his discoveries, Archimedes was named as one of the most influential important figures until now. Some of the extraordinary discoveries created by Archimedes are screw pumps, siege engines, compound pulleys, and the most famous is the law of buoyancy, Archimedes' principle. Fibonacci. Leonardo Fibonacci, or Leonardo Pisano, was a scientist who discovered mathematics from Italy. During his life, Fibonacci introduced the vastness of the concept of mathematics. The concepts of mathematics introduced by Fibonacci are the concept of square roots, Arabic numbering, and number sequencing. In his work entitled Libra Basi, or the Book of Calculation, Fibonacci explains the numbers and Fibonacci series as we know them today. Other works by Fibonacci are Practica Geometriae, Philos, and Quadraturum. Srinivasa Ramanujan. Srinivasa Ramanujan is a mathematician from India who has successfully contributed to the development of mathematical analysis, continued fractions, and number theory, although he holds the title of mathematician. Interestingly, Srinivasa Ramanujan never received formal education related to pure mathematics. Al-Khwarizmi, having the full name Abu Abdullah Muhammad bin Musa, Al-Khwarizmi was the first Muslim who was able to make an extraordinary contribution to the world of mathematics. Al-Khwarizmi was the inventor of the number 0 and was the first person to explain the function of numbers, including the number 0. It didn't stop there. Al-Khwarizmi also held the title of Father of Algebra because he was the one who popularized the theory of algebra. In addition, this figure who invented algebraic mathematics also introduced the concept of algorithms, which are still widely used to develop the world of technology. René Descartes. Born in La Haye, René Descartes was a mathematician and modern philosopher from France. Although he produced many works related to his philosophy, René Descartes also made major contributions to the world of mathematics. His discovery of the Cartesian coordinate system was able to influence the development of modern calculus. J. Carl Friedrich Gauss. J. Carl Friedrich Gauss is the name of a German inventor of mathematics who is also known as a physicist and astronomer. In its history, J. Carl Friedrich Gauss managed to make important contributions related to the basic theory of algebra, Gauss-Jordan elimination, the least squares method, the Gaussian error curve, and the bell curve. Liu Hove, this Chinese mathematician, created his own algorithm to calculate the area of a circle and the volume of a pyramid. In addition, Liu Hove also created algebraic and arithmetic operations which include solving simultaneous linear equation systems and adding fractions. Girolamo Cardano. Although known as a true gambler, it was from this activity that Girolamo Cardano managed to discover the theory of chance probability, which science still provides benefits today. Girolamo Cardano himself was an Italian scientist who lived in 1501 to 1576. That is a summary of the history of mathematics along with a short biography of several world mathematicians. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please like and subscribe.